this is my current desk setup, and I'm gonna be doing a little montage, so enjoy the montage. Guys, this is my current desk setup, and I'm gonna be doing a little montage, so enjoy the montage. Okay guys, I've just finished my current desk setup and I think it looks pretty good. I think the montage went really well and it didn't take me very long to film this video. But yeah, I hope you like it. This is my current desk setup and I'll be changing it around later in the new year. Okay, but other than that guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, and yeah, peace out.